It is a cold morning in New York City. The sky is gray.
Okay, everyone. Do we have everything?
Yes, David. We have our suitcases. We have our backpacks.
And I have my neck pillow. I want to sleep on the plane.
Good job, Lily. Now look at the terminal. This is JFK Airport. It is very big.
Wow, it is very busy today. Where do we go?
We need to find the check-in desk. Look at the big screen. It says Rio de Janeiro.
I see it. It is over there, Dad. Number 4.
Good morning. Passports, please.
Good morning. Here are our passports.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags? Yes, we have 2 big suitcases. Everything is good. Here are your boarding passes. You are in seats 15A, 15B, and 15C. Your gate is B22. Have a nice flight.
Mom, I am hungry. Can we eat breakfast?
Let's go through security first. Then we can find some food.
Look! There is a bagel shop.
Perfect. Let's eat. We have 1 hour before the flight.
Is that our plane? The big white one?
No, that one is going to London. Our plane is at gate B22. Come on, let's go to the gate.
The window is so small. But I can see the wing.
Put your seatbelt on, Lily. The plane is moving.
The cars look like toys.
Wake up, girls. We are here. Look out the window, Lily.
Wow! It is so green. I see mountains. And water.
Oh, it feels like summer.
Let's go to passport control. Officially in Brazil.
Look at the trees. They are palm trees. They are so tall.
We need a taxi to our hotel. I have the address here.
Bom dia! Welcome to Rio!
Bom dia. We need to go to Copacabana, please.
Copacabana! The best beach! Let's go!
Mom, look at the water. It is so blue.
We will go to the beach soon, Lily. First, we need to check into the hotel. Hello, welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Smith,
Smith.
David Smith.
Ah, yes, Mr. Smith. You have a room on the 10th floor. Here is your key. Breakfast is served from 7 k.m. to 10 a.m.
Is there a view of the ocean?
Yes, you have a balcony with a sea view.
Look at the view! This place is amazing!
I know. Let me set these bags down first.
This is beautiful. I am so happy we are here.
Me too. But I am tired from the flight.
Me too. But we cannot sleep now. It is morning here. We should take a shower and then go for a walk.
Can we go to the beach? Please, Dad.
Okay. Let's unpack our bags first.
I am hungry. We did not eat a big breakfast.
Look at that small cafe. It has outdoor tables.
What is this round bread? It looks delicious.
That is pão de queijo. Cheese bread. It is very famous in Brazil.
We want 10 of those, please.
And I am thirsty.
Look, Lily. People are drinking from coconuts. Green coconuts.
Can I try one?
Yes. 3 coconuts, please.
It is chewy and cheesy. It is so good.
The coconut water is sweet. It tastes very fresh.
This is a great breakfast.
The ocean!
We made it. We are in Brazil.
We have tickets for the train. The train goes up the mountain.
Is it a long ride?
No, only 20 minutes. But it is very steep.
Dad, look! Something is moving in the trees. It is a monkey!
It is a marmoset. It is a very small monkey with big ears.
Oh, it is so cute. Take a photo, David.
It is huge!
Let's take a family selfie. Everyone smile.
From here, they can see the whole city.
Look at the clouds. We are standing next to the clouds.
Today, we are going to Sugarloaf Mountain.
Another mountain? Do we have to walk?
No walking today. We will fly.
Fly?
Yes, in a cable car.
Oh my. It is very high. Is it safe?
Yes, it is very safe. Come on.
I can see the boats. They look like little white dots on the water.
This is the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen.
I like Brazil.
What is your favorite thing so far?
I like the monkeys. And the cheese bread. And the cable car.
I like the people. Everyone is so friendly. Today, we are going to the Botanical Garden. It is a very old park.
Hold on tight.
These trees are called royal palms. They were planted by the king a long time ago.
They are like giants. Look at the orchids. There are hundreds of them. Pink, yellow, purple.
Look up in the tree. It is a bird. A toucan.
Hello, Mr. Toucan.
Do you like the cake, sweetie?
It's the best cake ever.
I agree. We should definitely come back here soon.
We have to pack our bags.
I don't want to leave. I love it here.
Can we go to the beach one last time? Just for 1 hour.
Okay. One last time.
Brazil is a special place. Yes.
We will come back. We will come back.